people, me get a story. The man ya, him own brother call immigration pan him and get him sent back to Jamaica. But you think of that? The story have a funny twist in at the end because the tables come turning a foreign. Me people, make me jump right into the story. You have two brothers there, Jamaica, me people. One of them is a little bit older than the other one by about 3 years. Him get a bus, cause him there Jamaica and a roadman. Him in the whole badness and them something there, so a roadman. Him get a bus and go foreign. Him there foreign and a do him thing, back and forth foreign. When him come a yard, a be a Chris car, be a hype thing, money a spend life, good life, sweet. So you don't know, as the little brother know, you see them thing there and things are going for your bigger brother. You say, what? You can't wait for drop a foreign amongst your bigger brother, cause thing a go good. Cause see ma do be a thing ya. House a bill up. When him come a yard, a be a top rollings, money a spend, Chris car a drive, be a sitting. So you know little brother now excited you know. Figure a foreign, right? So him did it. This a brother ya back and forth. This a one ya did it do him thing. And him buck up on a linkage in the street. The linkage is not too straightforward. The linkage is a little bandolo linkage. But it so happen that him do what him fi do. And the bandolo business work out. And him end up reach a Orlando, Florida. But when him reach a Orlando, Florida, the place where him there Orlando, Florida, where him reach pan the link, it wasn't too comforting and a nice place for there. But through him already know say him have him brother in America. Right? He must say all him what he want to do is reach in America. Him go pan the link, he went tell him brother about it. Him brother tell him say, once you reach in the place, just make me know. Anywhere you're there, me a come for you. Alright? So him end up reach Orlando, Florida. Him did himself about 2 months. A bata it out. Nothing now go on and sit. Him a bata it out. But one thing upon him mind is for just go in brother there. Because him know say once him reach where him brother there, him good. Cause based on him brother back and forth Jamaica and the life and sitting him and say, yeah man brother good enough foreign. Anyway him there Orlando. But it turned out that him brother now live all the way to California. Right? So him brother tell him say him a go send somebody for him. Right? Because him know somebody will drive truck and him a go make that person they pick him up. You understand? People? The man say they drive from California, from Florida, Orlando, Florida to California was almost 2 days. 40 enough hours pan the road. What I drive in the man say. The man say he sit down till him body burn him. The man say to the drive, he never drive so long. Can you remember say you can drive out of Jamaica in a couple hours? The man say almost 2 days. Them dip on the road for me people. Because you know man a drive long, him can't drive, him not go drive. So the one man will drive off the top and rest and all them something there. 2 days he last them to reach California. And him say you think of that, he might end up at one place in California where them call Sacramento. That's the name where him call. I don't know much people know or me pronounce it right. Sacramento. That's the name. People, the man say them drive so till him tired him body burn him. He frustrated. You know when you know a vehicle so long and worse and no somebody where you even used to for your name cut Quam and Ray adjust the brother bridging. Anyway, then go on and them drive till them get what them a get. When him reach where him reach now, him find out say him not really go stay where him brother really live. Him brother them have a place there where them do them little thing from. Cause me tell you, him brother in a bandolo things. The life where him brother live is not a life where you really want to go America go live. Because you will get yourself in a trouble. And at this, him kind of way know from him there Jamaica, but him come see it for himself now and him no want to get na them the life there. But the place where the brother have for him stay now, right, is a place where him brother them lack off things. And you know them look away there. Lack off them baking soda and them weed and them look something there. Anyway, my people, him did it. Him brother peel him, him brother help him out, him did do him thing, and him decide say him nah go in that lane the way him brother inna. Him now go down that the route, they call the route they look like a trouble. Make him brother stay in there because him brother do it long time. So him didn't know until him end up with them start go out every little now and then him brother try to make him know the place you know and something. But where must say it's a busy little place. Sacramento is like, he must say down in a California there, that are like one busy little part. Like a some town party, busy. Things can go on, you can name food there. You see me? And him buck up and couple more Jamaican. But them brother when buck up and them is like them a work with some Mexican that do some construction. So as soon now him start go up on the work and the man them start rate him and him a put in the work and put in the work and a do him thing and a do him thing, me people. And the boss him start see a little money now because him a put in the work, you know. And him a see a one thing with the Mexican them, they don't want a day off. Every day. If the work did them a work. You see me? So him did it with the two Jamaica brother them and him did them make three and them a work with some Mexican and them a do them thing. Every now and then them, you know the Mexican them group up for them yard a be people and ray. And him say him start go amongst them and this and that. When them get a little time off, then go have a drink two Corona, ray. Till them end up buck up on one of the Mexican girl them. So him did it with the Mexican girl and you don't know no, you're the foreigner now, you don't know what is what. Him don't know what the girl's status, him don't know nothing about the girl or what. But all him know him buck up on a nice Mexican and the boss say, oh, tailpipe him a whistle. Right true, cause him a say him don't know if this a girl or the lucky gem. You see me, so the boss say them a whistle tailpipe, the girl rate him a whistle tailpipe. You see me? And the Mexican man them rate him cause he can work. You see me? And him and the two Jamaican them did and them a make them little money, but him a save everything. Cause him a say, boy, him nah, based on when come see in a California, him not really want to stay amongst when brother they for too long, cause this look like a trouble. You see me? So the man saying did it. But when it come down to the nitty-gritty now, him a realize say, boy, the Mexican girl can't help him. Cause the Mexican girl and no spot for help him. But you don't know, you meet a girl and you whistle tailpipe and you go and you not throw them burden there straight away. You not do them thing till you feel out how that person you stay. Anyway, him realize that the girl can't help him, right? And him did it. Do him thing, work, save, do him little thing. Him not under no pressure cause the place where him there where the brother left him, that come like a just them little spot with them. Left with them for left and store with them for store and do with them for do. And them have everything did it. Them have weed did it. They have baking soda. Everything them have did it. You understand me I say? And him did it. But all the while him did it kind of nervous because he must say him take the risk already. And even if he take the risk for left Jamaica under the situation when he left under. That alone to itself was scary. Was risky and was scary. And he make it to this and him no want get in no problem me people. But him now link up a bridge now when him have a New York. So when him link up this bridge from New York, you know me people. This a bridge I tell him say, yo, him know somebody we can do a little business with, but the girl saying want $20,000 US. I never know see yourself put on one ring past my finger expensive. The girl saying want $20,000 US. At the time when the girl said that him never really have all of the money, but him a work and him a save him money, cause him not spend for nothing. Him not up and down, him not buy up nothing, him a do him little thing. Cause he boss say him just want to set up himself. And him not really like the life where him brother live, so him want to lift up from this so that time mission. So him a say him plan now is to save up him money. And when him go New York fi go do this, him stay in New York, him not come back to Cali. Him da stay in New York and set him thing in a New York, you know. So him did a save. The man too when him reach, now him reach a nice piece of money. Him still not reach 20,000, but him not far off. Then you know say the brother borrow the money from him to sort out certain thing. Him lend the brother quickly, because him say him know say the brother is a man who always a make money and fee him line of work where him in a money come fast and money go fast. So him lend the brother him money without no problem, because him say that the money they go come in back quickly. So him did the understand do him things same and still a save a little shilling here and there, and now worry about that money there. Because him say that the money they secure. He come up to the part now where he look where him see up on top of that. He would have reached the money now. So him link him brother and tell him brother say, yo, anytime now, you know. Cause he want do what him fi do you know and get the thing fixed up so he can straighten up himself. His brother say, alright, him a go work on that. Over a month pass. His brother no say nothing to him again. You see me, so him ask back the brother again. I say, member say, Ray, no man, such and such, me I tell such and such, say, next time I want run through and sort out when me I sort out. Brother say, alright, me I sort it out, man. Ray. Boom. Nothing again. And the man I say, no, man. This looks serious. Him want do him thing, but I when brother go on with you now. So the man check back him brother again. And the brother said to him, say, me not done tell what I'm to you, brother. Oh, yeah, pressure, man. So, brother, you know, say if the thing where Ray already, me send on back here and Ray. And the man say, look how long me tell you, bro, say Ray, you know me I deal with already. And the man, brother, say, brother, just ease yourself, you know, see, just ease yourself, me tell you, say, it soon connect, man. Because me have this and that to deal with. It come like the brother in a money problem. Come like the thing now flow the right way if you flow for the brother. It come like the brother getting a money problem. And can't get the brother, in brother money forthcoming. You understand me I say? But he come like said, due to how him want left down this so now, because I want go on and him no want get no problem, him have to push the brother because that the bridge in there and New York already a line up things and just a wait upon him. Once him have the money live, everything ready for happen. Because the girl don't tell them how much money she had with already for do it. So once him have the money, New York, everything sort out. And bear in mind now, New York is another long piece of journey, me people. Because the man say, almost the same journey. Because when he left from Florida, he must say, the drive is pretty much, he must go Georgia, a place of Georgia, then he go Arkansas, them kind of place they have to pass through, then he reach to California, then even from California, it's still a couple hours drive to reach the part where him there. Sacramento, you understand? So him say him know it's a long journey drive a New York back. So him want set him thing, him can't to travel certain way because him say him know him not straight and him not take no risk. You see what me I say? So him say him that make the same movements with the same brother. We go so rare because the brother they back and forth all over America, all over the globe America. So from him do the right thing and knowing this brother, you go know them near them the side there, him can do what him fi do. You see me? So the boss said, no man, it look like the money and now come. And the boss asks him brother again. And when him asks him brother again, him and him brother getting a big argument. Kick off in an argument. And the brother make him know, say, and me come take you from down, say, and bring you, see, you're there, so you're there somewhere, you now do this and you now do that. You know, ease yourself, brother, Ray. You know, if you run down New York, or you know, say this is going to work out, or you know, just because him no want to give back the man him money, but the man no want to stay around him brother, because around him brother too hot. People, the man did it. You see the place where man they stay, right? Remember me I tell you, say it's like a little spot where certain thing lag on, you know. A certain thing lock off of them little spot there where the brother them in they mix up thing and all kind of something. But true, you know him not have nowhere. Him no in a nothing. But true just storage like a some little storage place and so. And him alright did him not pay light, him not pay water, him just a live did it. You understand? So he come like I just smart in the house to make sure say nobody can run in and take what them want and something. And Ray, you see me? So that come like the brother and the friend, them rent out the house, they do them look whatever them want to do, and all of them little thing there, and him just a stay there as a man for them in the spot. You understand, people? You don't know what the man did there. And a police running on the spot, you know. Yeah man, police running on the spot. But the problem is, when the police them run in, the police them find weed and the police them go find baking powder to the weed wasn't a problem. Because the man say a California that the man say no problem with them or something in a California, brother. Weed at least in a California, brother. You're not getting no trouble. Not too much of a problem. All if you have over the amount you have in your yard. The man say you not to get them, take them the light in a California because them think they free up. The man say the baking soda knock him. But at the time when they come, they never him alone did it, so they can't pinpoint it and say a theme. But guess what? Everybody get take up and carrying for processing, and at this so now them realize they in no straight. A man could have went there in New York, you know. But you this brother, you hold up a man thing and a joke the man thing, you know. A man could have went there in New York. Now them run him and processing, them realize they not straight. So you know, say right away, they contact ICE. ICE can't reach them at the same time. So ICE, the man say them doing something like a one detainer. Ray. So the police, them have to lock him up down there. Like he ain't go do a crime or something, them have to lock him up down there till ICE come take him over. Because true now, even though them find certain things, they can't pin it on him because more than once somebody went did it and something. So what happen now, them just have to hand him over to ICE and ICE deal with it if deal with and something. Me people, from ICE detention center, right back to Jamaica, him end up. You understand me I say? Right back to Jamaica, he end up. They you know say, when him there Jamaica and did it, and sitting, him realize that the brother not check in upon him. The brother not check upon him, nothing at all, nothing, and him I say, no sir, something not right. But remember now, the little bridging them when they go meet, the Jamaica bridging them when they link him upon the work, with the Mexican them familiar with the brother and something and them thing there. And them the man they squeeze him and I say, bro, if I ever tell you something you'd never believe. You know say your brother, I say, boy, him bring in at the place and you lend him a little food and to you your yard deal with him. The best thing for you for the back of your yard. Can you come like you out for ton against him in a foreign ya? You see me? So the best thing that for you for the back of your yard. Only for them realize say, the brother squeeze. Because at the time when the brother squeeze, no great, no did the way the brother go lose. The brother better rather them running and what did they so them lose it and pay back the him and the money. It no great nothing to go lose did they so. Because remember, once them come in and find certain baking powder, no matter how much, once you have baking powder we set certain way, I will not too little nickel, them no care because once them find them tie up and sit now in a little bit, you're in a problem. People, the man could have shit up himself. The same link where the man end up and reach back. The man end up when he did reach Orlando. The man make back him same link and do him for do because you don't know. From you say little mola, anything is possible. And the man chat back the same little route where him for chat back. And end up back right in Florida. This time when he end up in him no make nobody know him, not tell him brother no know nothing. And him did it. And him take time and him do him little thing. And him do him little thing. And ray. And the man say, brother, right now, him did it, work, wash pot, work in a little restaurant, do him little hustling here and there. Cause you know say Florida them hot place, him do him little landscaping. Him do all him little something them. And buck up on a little girl, he no pay $1. Buck up on a little girl, they rate him off. And you don't know, the boss I say, oh. He make sure say seal the deal. So you know say tailpipe of a whistling no. And you have to play nice and everything good and the boss say thing connect. No money, no pay. For nothing and the boss say him did it till him thing take time. Him do what he do with the girl and him thing a work pan and him thing sort out. Only for hear from the shout. What happened to him, brother? Them bite him, brother, in California. Yeah, man. Them bite him. Because the problem with him, brother, now, him brother move the grades. Because here we know, in California, if you have the grades in California, you're alright. But you're not supposed to move the grades over no border, no state border. You know, if you cross out of California, crossing and nowhere with no grades. It free up in California, but you know, if you go certain place with it. Then catch the brother fully load up him car, load up, and a SUV my drive, load up with grades. Gone in a different place and them place they won't go gone in. If them find out with a seed ain't a problem. You hear me I say? And them bite him, brother. They know say they lock down him, brother. And the boss I say, alright, him here walk on him at least if you go call the brother. They don't know say, when him call the brother tell him say, yo, if you can't come visit and if him can't this or if him can't do this or if him can't do that. And the man make him know say, brother, me here what go on, you know. Yeah, man, me here what go on, man. I style, me think she ain't want to pay me back the money. The man say, yo, dog, sorry, you know, man, and Ray, you know, brother, foolish go on, and me never did even expect, say, I say it when I go turn out, and 1% thing. The man say, as if I phone call, him no make back another phone call to the brother, because I look pan it and I say, you my own brother, because you don't want to pay me back my money. You set me up to make me go back on my yard, so you cannot pay me back my money. And see, then me end up back on my yard, and end up back in a foreign, and now my thing they are in a foreign a work out when you they are jealous and I beg for my help, and I beg for me, I send my own money come give again. Him man say him no look this again. Him man say him have to go find him own way out. Him not give him no more chance, him done with him. Him only did call. Because him know it would have look away for him. He say him did this and him no call. Him man say no business about nothing with him. Him low him pan him own. Him man say, brother, right now him did it. In America, in a nice little job, him straight up and do him own thing. Him say, good thing happen right now for him brother, in and out a jail house. Him no know how them never send him back in the yard for him come out of jail. All him know him back and forth. So whatever him do, he must know what him do. But the man say he no make no linkage with him from there, so. No linkage, him cut him off because him see what him doing. So that's why I tell him say people, more while you see, uno very own flesh and blood. Them we sell on out for nothing. Because look they know, you borrow your brother money and you know say something he might use, he might go use if he do. If he straighten up himself. And because you take the man money and you never have it back for him. But like them say, there is no honor among thieves. Brother or brother, not if I'm a criminal towards you too. I saw it go to work. Believe no man. Once if it's a wrongdoer, he might go be a wrongdoer to you too. So it no make no sense a man is a thief or a man is a dirty man, and you feel like say true you and him good or true you and him a family, him not do a certain thing. If it come to a test, he will do the same thing to you. Believe when me tell you that. Believe. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. And remember good no man, you don't have to ask nobody nothing, and nobody not have to tell you nothing, because of 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.